Hi everyone, and I welcome all of you to this session on growth mindset. As I promised, every week we are going to come up and we are going to talk about some crucial life skills, some crucial topics which are going to directly help you to succeed and grow in your life. Okay? And one of the most important factors of personal growth and development happens to be mindset. Okay, so what is mindset, and specifically, what is growth mindset? Let us first understand this term. Okay, growth means something that grows. Okay, like plants grow, you grow. What you used to look 5 years back and how you look today, it is completely different, right? So everything which is living grows. Okay, and then what is growing here? Growth mindset. What is a mindset? Mindset is what beliefs do we have, how we think about things, how do we talk to ourselves when no one is watching. Okay, so we are going to talk about growth mindset, which means that our mindset, our thought process, it will grow with time. And if we do not know how to train our own mindset, we will keep on taking influences from the outside. Someone on the social media would comment, "You do not look good." We will accept that. Someone will say, "You cannot take mathematics." We will accept that. Someone will say, "You cannot become an astronaut in your life." We take that. If we do not work on our mindset. So, in this class today, what we are going to do? We are going to work on our mindset. Absolutely. We are going to work on our mindset. Okay. But for that, I want you people to know and understand that we've got a garden of learning. I want all of you to imagine this with me. Okay. So, what this garden of learning does is it is a beautiful garden that you can see in your mind's eye. Every time you learn a new skill, it is like you're sowing a seed in the soil of your garden. Okay. And how do the seed grow? With sunlight, water, fertilizers, isn't it? So when you put a seed of any new skill, how do you grow that? You grow that with practice. Okay? Taking help, repeating it again and again. When you repeat something again and again, you know what happens? You build that skill. So that plant starts growing, that skill starts becoming better and better every single day. But the problem is, inside the garden, there are some insects also, right? We have to take care of that now. We have to take those insects out of our garden. We don't want them inside of our garden. So, what we will do there? We have to always remember that these insects are the negative thoughts that we get, right? When we solve some question for two times, three times, and we are unable to get an answer, what our internal voice says, "Arey, I cannot do this. This is so hard. I'm so stupid. I feel like an idiot sometimes." When the teacher puts a question on the question board and one of your friend answers that, you look at that friend and you feel that girl or that boy is very bright. Maybe I'm dull. Maybe I'm not that fast. Maybe my brain doesn't work that fast. Yes or no? Yes or no? Be very honest to me, right? So these thoughts, when they come, if we do not take these insects out, you know what happens? These insects, they start eating our plant of skill, right? And to make your life beautiful, we need so many plants. Everything that we do in our day to day life, it is a skill that we are working on. Okay, so the way you talk, the way you walk, the way you dress up, the way you do your academics, the way you participate in your school, the way you talk to others to make them feel comfortable, every single thing is a skill. And you know what? You learned all of this. You already have learned all of these things. So, which means that you can learn anything. You know, learning to speak and learning to walk are the two most toughest things. You excel in both, which means that your master computer is sharper and smarter than you think. So never underestimate your own power, okay? And I want my champions to always take care of their garden. Okay, how are you going to take care of your garden? You're going to always remove all the insects, sow the seed of new learning, water it with practice. Understood? New seed is new skill. Watering it or putting it into sunlight is practicing, asking for help, doing it again and again, and taking out those pests, those insects is beating the negative thoughts. Okay? So with me, you people are going to create this garden of learning for yourself. Whenever you feel that you are unable to do something, so for an example, you feel that you cannot talk in front of so many people, you feel scared about it, sit down and think about your garden of learning, right? Speaking in front of people is a skill. I am not able to do it. Why I'm not able to do it? Because I have not put that seed inside, right? I have not started learning it. Once I start learning how to speak in public, what I have to do, I have to put water every day. And what is that? Practicing it every day. And I can guarantee you, if you people practice any skill, not only speaking in public, playing a guitar, dancing, playing football, running faster, writing faster, memorizing more, doing good in math, anything you put your mind to, I promise each one of you, if you practice it, your brain is a master computer, it will learn. It will definitely learn. And whenever that negative insect comes in, what will you do? We will not let that negative insect come into our garden. Is that a promise? Okay, we will not let that insect get into our beautiful learning garden. Okay, so with this, I will tell you more about it. Excited, right? It is a wonderful topic. This is one of my favorite topics. Okay, now all of us, you and me, everyone, we have certain beliefs. Beliefs as in, I look a certain way, I talk a certain way, I get excited at certain points, I get disappointed at certain points, I can do something wonderfully well, I cannot do certain things. Okay, so we all have certain beliefs which grow with time. Okay, now, you people, every one of you have a belief system on your ability and your potential. Okay, so you think that you have a particular ability, like I can do math, but I cannot remember long answers. I can remember long answers, but I cannot remember dates. This happens, right? So what are you doing? I can do this, I cannot do this. What are you putting into question? Your ability and your potential. Okay, so we have this belief. What is this? If I say that I can dance but I cannot sing, what is this? Belief. If I start learning to sing, if I start learning to dance both together, I will be able to do both the things. Okay, so my belief limits my ability and my potential. When my ability and my potential both are getting limited, because मैंने क्या बोल दिया? I said that I cannot dance. I cannot dance. If I keep on saying I cannot dance, I cannot dance, I cannot dance, do you think I will ever be taking up a dance class and start learning to dance? No. Then क्या हो जाएगा? It will become my behavior. Whenever you will ask me to dance, what will I say? I cannot dance. It becomes a part of my behavior. Now, do you think if I participate in any dance competition, I'll become successful? It will define or it will determine my path towards success in that area. Okay, so in this chart, I want you people to understand that our belief is our belief. If it is already there, ki I am good at this and I'm not good at this, we can change this belief also. Today, I'm going to train you on how to change this belief. Okay, we will always have this belief that we have certain potential and certain ability. Because of this belief, that gets reflected into our behavior, and that behavior is a major contributor whether we will become successful or not. Understood? Understood till here, right? Now listen to this very carefully. You can take a screenshot of this also, okay? A growth mindset occurs when we believe our intelligence and abilities can be improved with efforts and right strategies. Okay? Whatever we are doing, our belief and our intelligence and abilities can be improved with efforts and right strategies. We have to always remember this, okay? Whenever in life, not only in class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, no. Whenever in life you feel that I cannot do this, just tell it to yourself that when we believe our intelligence and abilities can be improved with efforts and the right strategies, that is growth mindset. And where we have to be in this growth mindset, okay? It is going to play a crucial role when you will face difficulties in life. Fine. Now, what is growth mindset? I told you something which is growing, okay? Now, growth mindset says certain thing, fixed mindset says certain things. I will tell you the difference between it. Fixed mindset says that everyone has a predefined ability and potential. So for an example, I am this much intelligent, my brother is this much intelligent. This is fixed. This cannot grow. So every time my brother will score less marks than me, what will he say? She's more intelligent now, that is why she's getting more marks. You know, you use this line, right? That person is more intelligent, that person understands everything in one go, that is why they're scoring more. I do not have that ability, right? In some way or the other, we do that. So what is this? We are fixing our ability and potential. Actually, this is not true. If you put in more hours of practice, if you put in more effort into it, you will definitely increase your intelligence. You will definitely increase your marks and potential. Understood? So what is fixed mindset? Let me tell you. You try to put yourself inside a box and you do not want to come out of it. You are, I will not say you are less intelligent. I will say you are less hungry of success. If you are hungry of success, you will go and ask everyone. You will get help from anywhere. Internet is available. Your parents are available. Your wonderful teachers are available. You'll get it done like anything. Right? So what is fixed mindset? Which says that I want to avoid making mistakes. If I make mistake, people will make fun of me. That is why when the teacher asks a question in the classroom, even though you have solved the question, you have the answer in your notebook, but you do not raise your hand up. When someone else gives the answer, you say, I also got that, ma'am. Yes, because you feel ashamed if you make mistake. Because you think that if I say the answer and if the answer is wrong, everyone will make fun of me. Right? That is a trait of fixed mindset. Okay? I will never be that smart. When you compare yourself with someone and then you tag yourself, I will not be that smart. I cannot do like that person. Right? That is what you're putting yourself inside a box. Fixed mindset. I know best. When you stop learning, when you start thinking that I know everything, come on. When someone comes to you and tells you about something, you say, no, I know about it. I don't know about this. ChatGPT, I know. Elon Musk, I know. This I know attitude can become a very huge problem for you in future, because you know what? People around you, your teachers, your parents, your elder siblings, these people, they have gone through your age. They know a lot. I understand you also know much, but at the same time, you should be able to listen. Do you know God has given us one mouth and 2 ears for a reason? So that we can listen more and speak less. Okay? So do not use this I know all the time. This is good enough. The people who compromise, I got 65%, haan, theek hai na, this is good enough. Okay? Never settle. We can always grow. We can always do better. Then coming to growth mindset. What is growth mindset? Growth mindset says, mistakes help me to learn. Whenever you make a mistake, you feel like I'm trying. Mistakes are a proof that I'm trying. And if I'm trying, I will try again and again and I'll get better at it. This is a rule of thumb and it will work always. If you do something again and again, you'll get better at it because your brain is programmed like that. Okay? Feedback is valuable. To the people who have growth mindset, if you will give them a feedback that your handwriting needs a little improvement or you should work a little more on your language and grammar, these people will not take it, in a wrong way. They will say, okay, fine, I will work on it. Okay. For them, feedback is valuable. I improve with practice. I want this one line to be a mantra of all of my champions. I improve with practice, right? Universal rule, whatever you do, you play, you sing, you dance, you play a music instrument, you draw, you do anything, you improve with practice. Remember, okay? I won't give up. These people, they're stubborn. They'll not give up. They will do again and again. Even if they do not find an answer, they will ask a friend. Friend doesn't know senior. Senior doesn't know teacher. Teacher doesn't know tutor. Parents, they will involve everyone. Sabka dimag kha lenge, but they will get to the solution. I want you to be that. Okay? So this is fixed mindset and growth mindset. I hope you people understood the difference. Fixed mindset may people think that I have limited ability and potential, and they put themselves inside of a box. And they start saying, I can do this much only. I don't want to improve. I'm happy being in my box. Growth mindset may, they are growing. They cannot be fixed. They cannot be sitting inside of this box. What will they do? They will find out opportunities and they will glow and grow and bloom. Clear? So I want all of you to do this with me. I will give you answers also, but I'm reading this. I want you people to quickly tell me, think it in your mind or put it in the chat box, comment box. First one, what is it, like fixed mindset or growth mindset? All the statements, okay? I can always improve my skills through hard work and practice. This is growth mindset or fixed mindset. G for growth, F for fixed. What is it? Growth mindset or fixed mindset? Growth mindset. Yes, exactly. I am just not good at math and I never will be. Fixed or growth? Fixed. Feedback helps me learn and get better. Fixed or growth? Quick, quick, quick. Growth. Mistakes are opportunities to learn and grow. Fixed or growth? Growth, because mistakes are opportunities to learn. I avoid challenges because I don't want to fail. Fixed or growth? Fixed, right? Wonderful, wonderful. When I struggle with something, it means I'm not smart. Fixed or growth? Fixed or growth? Fixed. Effort and perseverance are keys to success. Fixed or growth? Growth. If I don't succeed right away, it means I'm not good enough. If I do not get a solution in one time, it means I'm not good enough. Fixed. Growth. What is it? Fixed mindset. Some people are born talented and others are not. Some people are born talented and others are not. What is this? Fixed or growth? This is fixed. Some people, I love taking on new challenges, even if they are difficult. Fixed or growth? Growth, right? So I think that all of you understand that what is a fixed mindset statement and what is a growth mindset statement. If someone else tells you that you cannot do this, for an example, when I was in my, after my engineering and I appeared for an interview, one of the person, he said to me that, Priyanka, you can never speak in front of public. You're not good at it. Imagine if I would have taken that as a fixed mindset that, okay, fine, I'm not good at it. I would not be talking to you today. You get me? So even if someone else is talking to us, we should keep our filters open. Is this fixed or growth? If it is growth, the thought is welcome. If it is fixed, please, I don't want this inside of my beautiful learning garden. Okay? Your self-thoughts, when you're talking to yourself, I'm not good enough at this. I'm so stupid, I always mess up. I always make silly mistakes. Fixed. What will you do? You will change it to growth. Promise? You will change it to growth. Do not let these insects eat up your beautiful garden. Do not let them, okay? Now I will give you a mantra, which is going to help you like tremendously. This is called the power of yet. Okay. So the problem is that a lot of times we get into a situation when we feel that we are not doing good. Like, for example, you appeared for your examination and you thought that you will score 90 marks. But when the results come and your mark says 72, 75, you feel bad about it, right? And then when you are heartbroken, the first thing that comes out of your mouth is, I cannot do this. I'm not good at this, right? I just want you to increase this sentence with one more letter, one three-letter word, yet. I'm not good at it. I'm not good at it yet. But with practice, I will get better, right? I cannot do this. I cannot do this yet. But with guidance and practice, I will be able to do it. Understood? Simple, eh? We will do an exercise. Everyone with me, okay? I don't understand this concept. I don't understand this concept yet. Okay? If I do it again and again, what will happen? I will understand it. Simple. I haven't mastered playing the piano. I haven't mastered playing the piano yet. I can't solve this type of math problem. I can't solve this type of math problem yet. But with practice, I will be able to do that. I'm not fluent in Spanish. I'm not fluent in Spanish yet. I haven't reached my fitness goals. I haven't reached my fitness goals yet. But with practice, I can get better. You understood what I mean to say? Whenever your brain gives you this kind of insect which says that I cannot do this, I have not mastered this, I cannot solve this, I am not fluent in this, what will you do? You'll put a three-letter word called yet. Okay, when you put yet, it means that future has opportunities. Okay, you'll use it. Is that a promise? Everyone, I want you people to use this yet is very powerful. Fine. Now is the activity time, everyone. I want you people to take a plain blank paper, your favorite colors, whatever you love to doodle around it, and I want you to create like a banner for yourself. Any one of these three statements, whatever is your favorite, you pick up one, okay? Always remember these things. Mistakes are an opportunity to grow. Whenever you make a mistake, remember that it is an opportunity for you to learn. That is why mistake happened, na? Wahan pe you need to learn. If you learn, you will not repeat the mistake and you'll get better at it. Okay? So mistakes are an opportunity to grow. The next one is, with practice, I can learn anything I set my mind to. Okay? With practice, I can learn anything I set my mind to. And the third one is, failure is a feedback. If you're trying to do something, so for an example, if you're shooting and you want to shoot it in the bullseye, and if you miss the shot, it is not a failure. It is a feedback which says that you have to take a little right and a little down and then shoot again. Right? If again you missed, you look, okay, this time it was more towards right. Align it again, shoot it again. Right? So there is no failure. It is always a feedback. Your report card, it is also a feedback, right? If you are moving from like 6th standard to 7th standard, 6th standard ke report card mein, if you get like less marks in one subject, say subject X. So what is that? It doesn't mean you're bad at subject X. It says that it is a feedback. You have to work more on subject X. Understood? So I want you to pick any one of these sentences, write it down in rough writing somewhere. Take a screenshot of it if you want to. After the session is over, you will create a good picture, one big banner kind of thing, poster kind of thing, A4 size paper. Make a beautiful banner of any one statement. Mistakes are an opportunity to grow. With practice, I can learn anything I set my mind to, or failure is a feedback. Any one out of these three. Create a beautiful banner, and for the next 1 week, I want it above your study table. Wherever you study, your wardrobe, your study table, wall, anywhere, you ask your parents where they allow you to paste it. You have to put it on the wall. And once you put it on the wall, I want you to click a picture of it and share it on your parents' Instagram and tag the ATI. Okay? The ATI underscore official. Fine. I will put the details in the description. And for you people, I'm putting it here. It's the ATI underscore official. Okay. So at the rate, the ATI underscore official. This is our Instagram handle. Make a beautiful picture of it. Stick it on your wall. Take a picture of it. Put it on the Instagram of your parents and tag us. I should get to know that my champions have done the job right. Deal? Is that a deal, everyone? With this, our time together comes to an end. I'll see you again soon. And every Saturday, be excited for something new to learn. And these things that we are going to do for you, you people are going to cherish these for your lifetime. When I was a kid like you, I always wanted someone to teach me all of these things. Okay? So I'll make sure that you learn all of those things. Kudos to all of you. You took out time and you are here. I am so glad and so privileged that I get to meet all of you, my champions, every time. And I will never leave an opportunity to talk to all of you. Okay? Take care. God bless you and do good. Keep rocking. You're my rock star. You know that, right? And I'm proud of you.